How to connect domain to Teespring. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can connect domain to Teespring. Connecting domain to Teespring is very simple. The first thing to do is to log in into your Teespring account, and then once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen you'll see some options, right? Ensure you select stores, because that is where we're heading to in this tutorial. Once you click on stores, you'll be taken to your store, right? Number of stores you have. Currently I only have one store. That is why this is the only store that is displaying. But for you, you'll see all of the stores you have. Just ensure you select the store that you want to connect the domain to. And once you selected the store, by the lower part of the screen you'll see connect existing domain, purchase new domain. Now if you have a domain already, you would go for connect existing domain, okay? And then just click on activate. Once you click on activate, you'll be directed to another page entirely. Now once you're on this page, you'll see you unlock custom domains for your store, overview, etc, and then activate. Click on it. Then you will ask to add a payment method, add your card number, the name of the card, save it, and once you save it, from there you'll be directed on what to do. Then if you do not have a domain, just click on purchase a domain, and then just click on purchase a domain. You've directed on that page where you'll be asked to find your perfect domain. Just search for, if this is the name you're fine with, mystorecaps.com, just search for it. Then if it's not available, you just keep on searching until you get the available domain for you, and then you can see the number of domains that has been brought to you and their prices. So just select it. If it's in your budget, continue to check out, input your card, and then get your domain. And then once you get your domain will be connected automatically to your Teespring because you got it on Teespring. So this is how you can connect domain on Teespring. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.